Unveiling your true self, understanding, don't lose yourself. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might have heard in songs, movies, or maybe in a heart-to-heart conversation. Don't lose yourself. This expression is rich in meaning and can be a powerful piece of advice. Let's explore together what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. At its core, "Don't lose yourself" is a cautionary advice urging someone to maintain their true identity and values, regardless of the situations or challenges they face. It's about staying true to who you are, even when external pressures or temptations try to sway you otherwise. This phrase can be particularly relevant in scenarios where there's a risk of being overwhelmed by others' expectations, societal norms, or in the pursuit of success and recognition. You might use or encounter this phrase in a variety of contexts. Here are a few. Personal advice. When someone is going through a challenging time or facing decisions that could significantly impact their life, you might tell them, "Don't lose yourself," as a reminder to stay grounded in their beliefs and desires. In art and literature, this expression is often used to convey themes of self-discovery and integrity. Artists and writers might use it to explore the journey of characters striving to remain true to themselves. Motivational speeches. Speakers may use this phrase to inspire their audience to embrace their individuality and not conform to what society expects of them. To help you understand how to use "don't lose yourself" in conversation, here are some examples. In your quest for fame and wealth, don't lose yourself and forget where you came from. She reminded her friend to don't lose herself in the relationship and to keep pursuing her own interests and hobbies. As you embark on this new chapter of your life, remember to don't lose yourself in the process. Don't lose yourself is more than just a phrase. It's a life lesson that emphasizes the importance of self-identity and personal values. We hope this exploration helps you understand its depth and encourages you to use it wisely in your English communications. Remember, staying true to yourself is key to navigating life's journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning.